Everyone at Char from Char's Fashion Nation. So I got some Amazon mail. Oh, my hair, it does that. Like there'll be a loose hair and I'll like feel it on my arm. Like, is that a mosquito? Y'all, we've been pestered with mosquitoes lately. Anyway, so I got an Amazon package and I'm excited for this. Why? Because it's not very often that I have this particular product. Not very often at all. So, glad to have it to show it to you. So, anyway, if you know, over on Instagram, there's like their little groups that they have, and Creme Shop happens to be one of them. How about that, Creme Shop? Anyway, just taking a picture. Don't know which one took it. But anyway, so I have been waiting for these makeup wipes to come in, and they came in the other day. I just wasn't feeling well enough to do this video. While I'm filming this video, I have something on the stove for a different video. I suppose you could save this and just like mount it somewhere and put your brushes or something in it after you secured it, whatever. Recycle. So these right here, the packaging is always on point, like the cutesy bear, right? And it's watermelon. Look, when I was growing up, one of the towns that I used to go to, they were renowned for their watermelon because of the volcanic soil. Oh my God, y'all, like, that smells really good. I'm not just here to tell you, I'm just here to sell you as well. I don't have a code for Creme Shop. Wish I did. If I did, you would know about it. I'm honestly trying to get back into having codes again. Oh, I'm going to test that on my face. 2 of them came out, so we'll just shuffle the other one back in the package. Just like that, it's closed again. So I got the makeup wipe out. Now, I don't have any makeup on, but it has been hot. It has been hot out. And if you don't really think about it, you can use a makeup wipe to refresh your skin during the day if it's moisturizing, if it's got about vitamin D, vitamin B, aloe, stuff like that in it. Please just refresh your skin, even your hand. Even your hand. Absolutely. So, oh, that feels good. That was really refreshing on the face. Like I said, even though I don't have makeup on, I had makeup on the other day, but I washed my face, so if there's anything left, it's probably just from that. And I know this is a super short video, but you can always go on to the Creme Shop website. They're also on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I found them on TikTok. I'm not sure about Lemon 8. I'm kind of new to that. It's owned by TikTok. But yeah, these are good. I haven't owned anything Creme Shop in a while, but of makeup wipes. I have used their makeup wipes before, so I can tell you these are really good. It's not sticky. Except for if you pocket your hand, then that's sticky. Yeah, that's not sticky at all. It's not sticky. It's not icky. And stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to try Creme Shop.